many years can you remove bankruptcy? You can start disputing that bankruptcy once it's dismissed or discharged. Okay, once that bankruptcy is dismissed or discharged, you can go ahead and start disputing, my brother. Do you work with Atlanta clients? Yeah, we do. We just have to do stuff a little bit differently because you got to be like a nonprofit. You got to be a registered real estate agent or a financial advisor in that state. But we have a nonprofit, so yeah. So we can work with y'all too. Just shoot me a DM. How do I know which bank pulled from which credit bureau? You can type that into Google and see. You can say, give me 10 banks that pull from Experian, 10 banks that pull from TransUnion, 10 banks that pull from or Equifax. How much you charge a fixed credit? It depends on your report. That's why the consultations are free. Go ahead and shoot me a DM, my brother. How many payments can you make on a credit card? You can make a payment every day if you want to. It's kind of pointless though. All your credit card, the algorithm, that all that cares about is as long as you make your minimum payment, right? So you don't get a late payment, and that's your statement date. Your statement date is when the balance gets reported to the credit bureaus. So that's all they really care about. What do I do for collections? You're gonna have to dispute those collections, bro. Or you can do a pay for delete, right? Some people use that too. Both ways are fine with me. I don't really care. I would much rather you dispute them first though, and then try to get them off that way. If that don't work, then you can do a pay for delete. But if you need the step-by-step for collections, hit the link in my bio, grab the how-to guides. All right, grab the how-to guides. I get a step-by-step for collections in there for you. I have 3 accounts open, 745 credit score. That's good, Austin. So out of those 3 accounts, if all 3 of those accounts are revolving credit, you want to go add you like a rent reporters and a self-lender to get that 10% credit mix, okay? What if I don't have any credit, that much history? What's the fastest way to build my credit? First, you need to add some primary accounts. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says 5 starter accounts, okay? You can run some of those up. Once those start reporting, you can add an authorized user or 2 on there to help with that credit age.